Good day, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday, Venezuela was hit by two massive earthquakes within seconds of each other, and over 1,000 people are feared to have died yesterday. The country was hit by two earthquakes, a 7.2 magnitude earthquake and a 7.5 magnitude earthquake. The second 7.5 magnitude earthquake became the most powerful earthquake that the country has experienced in 100 years. This incident happened during a holiday, which meant that a lot more people were at home. The interim president of Venezuela has called a nationwide state of emergency, and the airports have been closed. It is said that the same earthquake happened in Japan and there was no casualty. Could this be said to have been caused by lack of proper infrastructure, urban planning, or preparation? Search parties and aides have been sent to search for people that are being stuck under the rubble. The death toll is currently at 164 people, and countries like the US, China, Germany, and UK have offered help to Venezuela, but we all know it's gonna take a while for them to recover from this.
Mierda, huevón. Qué locura esta mierda, huevón. Acabó con el edificio. Mierda, weón. Yo acabo de subir del ascensor. Acabo.
¡Mamá, está temblando, hijo! Ya, Dios mío, ya.
¿El doctor dónde está?
Ya. Ya, por. Afuera que tenemos. No sale de allá. Hermano, no. Afuera más peligroso, hermano. Por allá. Señores, al puerta 4. Por allá. Ya, por.
Let us know your thoughts and opinions in the comments, and don't forget to support the channel by liking and subscribing to this channel, and turn on your notification buttons to know whenever we drop something new.